गुलबर्गा शहर के मशहूर अल-तैयबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल से मोहतरमा आसमा परवीन को बेस्ट प्रिंसिपल अवार्ड और मिस नाजिया तजाविन को बेस्ट टीचर अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है। गुलबर्गा शहर के लिए फख्र की बात यह रही कि इन्हें यह अवार्ड नवी मुंबई में ऑर्गेनाइज हुए इंडियन टैलेंट ओलंपियाड के एक्सेलेंस अवार्ड 2025-26 में इनवाइट कर भारत की पहली लेडी आईपीएस ऑफिसर डॉक्टर किरण बेदी और दुनिया भर में शोहरत याफ्ता बैडमिंटन स्टार सानिया नेहवाल के हाथों दिया गया है। ये दोनों एजाज उनकी नुमाया तालीमी खिदमत, लगन, विजन और बच्चों की किरदार साजी में उनकी गैर मामूली मेहनत का एतराफ़ है। इनकी यह कौमी कामयाबी सिर्फ गुलबर्गा नहीं बल्कि पूरे कल्याण कर्नाटका के तालीमी इलाकों के लिए खुशी की बात है। आईटीओ की बुनियाद 2013 में रखी गई थी और आज ये मुल्क भर में 42,500 से ज़्यादा स्कूल्स, 1 करोड़ से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स और 20,000 से ज़्यादा स्कॉलरशिप्स के साथ एक बड़ा तालीमी प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है। आईटीओ की एडवाइजरी बोर्ड में ओलंपिक चैंपियन पीटी उषा का होना इस इदारे की अहमियत को और भी बढ़ा देता है। इस अवार्ड सेरेमनी का असल मकसद उन असातिज़ा और प्रिंसिपल को सल्यूट करना था जो हमारी नई नस्ल को बेहतर मुस्तकबिल देने के लिए रोजाना खामोशी से मेहनत कर रहे हैं। गुलबर्गा शहर के अल-तैयबा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में सभी टीचिंग स्टाफ पूरी लगन के साथ बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल को बेहतर बनाने के लिए काम करते आ रहे हैं और ऐसे में आसमा परवीन और नाजिया तजाविन साहिबा को इनकी मेहनत और डेडिकेशन को देख इस खूबसूरत अवार्ड से नवाजा जाना पूरे इदारे के लिए गर्व की बात है।
Myself Nadia Tadavi, as a administrator of Al-Taiba School, I feel deeply honored, grateful to Almighty for being awarded the Best Teacher Award 2025. These achievements inspire me to continue guiding my students with even greater responsibility, sincerity and commitment. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my school management, my fellow teachers, my dear students and my family for their unwavering support, love and prayers. Their constant encouragement, trust and cooperation have always given me the strength to move forward. I am especially thankful to the entire team of the Indian Talent Olympiad for acknowledging my service and commitment to education. I pray to Allah that I continue to provide such service and impact more knowledge to the future generation.
I would like to thank Indian Talent Olympic to give me the Best Principal Award by the Madam Kiran Bedi and Sania Nehwal. I am proud to receive this excellent award from Indian Talent Olympiad. I could say this is my lifetime achievement award. Thank you.
On behalf of Al-Taiba School Management, I congratulate to Madam Asma Parveen who received Best Principal Award and Madam Nazia Tazawin who received Best Teacher Award from Indian Talent Olympiad by IPS Officer Kiran Bedi and Sania Nehwal. So this is a very proud moment for us to receive from them. This is a very proud moment for Gulbarga. This is very proud moment of Al-Taiba School. Over 10,000 schools, they selected some schools from all over India and among them our Al-Taiba School is one of the school who received 2 Best Excellence Award from Indian Talent Olympiad.
I, Farah Fatima, a coordinator of Al-Taiba School, want to say that this Al-Taiba School is a really school of excellence. Here the management is providing a strong academic program and I have seen that we are having a dedicated and a passion from the management towards the school. Of the teachers, I can say that we are having an energetic and well qualified teachers and I want to say that the teachers are exploring the student. Apart from the curricular of the school, we are involving the co-curricular activities like the exams from the ITO, the Indian Talent Olympiad exams. The students here are from 4 years taking part in these exams and the students and the teachers are completely involved and they are having the hundreds of the students are giving the exams in the streams like science and mathematics and the drawing competition is also there and the students are also getting the gold medal in last 2 years. The merit students are receiving the scholarships. So teachers are doing work hard for these activities, making the students more active and to involved to participate in these types of exams. And the last 4 years, we are getting the Golden School Awards to the teachers and also to the students. So we are part of the ITO, like Indian Talent Olympiad exams. I congrats to the teachers and to the management and to the students who got the awards. Especially to the principal award got to the Asma ma'am, and the best teacher award got to the Nadia ma'am. I congrats from my part that the management is totally back to the HM and the principal. So I congrats Mohammad Mansoor sir for their appreciations. Thank you.